안녕하세요. 아틀란타에 있는 부동산 브로커 주디입니다. 오늘도 우리 회사 가지고 있는 리스팅 중에 하나, 이 집은 제가 제일 좋아하는 도시 둘루스에 있고, 이 집은 3-side brick, 5,000 square feet.
차량 틴트, 주택, 상업 틴트, 블랙박스, 틴트 마스터.
커머셜 비즈니스 하우스, 블라인드, 쉐이드, 셔터, 커튼, 특별 주문 제작도 가능한
Blind Story.
Judy. 안녕하세요. How are you?
How are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. So, 한국말로?
안녕하세요. 저는 팀입니다. 공인 중개사입니다. 애틀랜타에서. Been doing this for 9 years.
5년 동안 부동산 에이전트
What she said.
했습니다.
So I am half Korean, half Caucasian. So I do work with a lot of people in the Korean community as well as just those that live in the area. So yeah, happy to be here and give you a tour.
Yeah, thank you. So, can you tell us about this home?
Yeah, so we'll see later that the home boasts high ceilings, over 5,000 square feet. It's a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom home right here in Stonebriar at Sugarloaf. Some of you may know or may not know, but this is a very prime location. So you're right here off of Sugarloaf Parkway, exit 108, and everything that you can find is here. You're just not far from Ashi Market, not far from the H Mart in Duluth, as well as the one in Swanee. Just minutes away, if you ever wanted to catch a concert, an event, Gas South Arena is right down the street. What more than that you can ask for?
네, 여기 위치는 아시 H마트하고 너무 가깝고, 그리고 콘서트, 우리 게스트하우스 아리나 가서 콘서트 많이 듣는데 거기하고도 가깝고, 프라임 로케이션 둘루스에 있고, 이 집은 5,000 square feet, 그리고 6-bedroom.
Yes.
Right?
So right here we have kind of like an office flex room. Right now, this literally is being used by my sellers as an office space, but it can be used as kind of a lounge area, a getaway space. You know, an area where you can just wind down after you had a long day, sip some coffee, read a book, something of that sort.
You know what?
Yeah.
This for Korean family will be a piano 방.
Oh yes, I agree. So, yeah, very versatile room. Right when you come through, and it's got a decent amount of square footage. So yeah, I think people
And
like
here
it.
is the formal dining room.
Yes. So yeah, this one has got some features that not every house has. You got the crown molding on the top.
This arch.
Me too.
Yeah.
Me too. It's got a lot of architecture that I like. John Whelan is actually the architect that was building these homes back in 2002. So you've got just some little touches here and there that really add to the value of the home. So
Okay, let's, should we go this way to the kitchen?
yeah, for sure.
Okay, let's go into the kitchen. So this is a little butler's pantry.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
and that's the garage and that's the laundry. And let's see our beautiful kitchen.
Yes.
Oh, I love this island.
Same. So yeah, you got quartz countertops,
Right.
which I think that's something that stands out as soon as you come through. Right?
Yes, exactly. I'm thinking you can be a cooking YouTuber.
Yeah, for sure. This has
Right.
got the prime setting for something like that.
Okay, yeah, and you can watch TV from here
Yep, so it's an
Wow.
open concept.
while
Yep.
cooking. Yeah.
You got cooktop with a vent hood. So I know a lot of people want that. And you got strong scents coming from food, so it can vent out of the home. A lot of people, they ask me, if it doesn't have it, then we're not interested. It's actually a very small thing when it comes to trying to renovate it. I think I've got a quote from an HVAC technician, less than $1,000 you can get a vent. It's a nice feature.
So this one
that
already has.
Already has, yeah, it's great. So Big Island, I can't get enough of this.
네, 여기 아일랜드도 있고 아주 예쁜 아일랜드 그리고 쿠킹은 벤트 후드가 있다고 합니다. 네, 여기는 family room. Here's our family room. Again, it's got high ceiling,
Correct.
perfect for your height.
There you go. There you go. Hey, this is my favorite part of the house by far. I mean, you can probably see why. It's spacious, it's tall ceilings. You got bay windows so the light comes in throughout the day. We're filming kind of like around 5 p.m. so the sun's setting in the
Yeah.
west, but you still have a lot of sunlight coming in. Perfect for family gatherings, whether it's your own family, extended family, guests that want to come over. You got built-in bookshelves. You got a lot of crown molding that goes up almost to the top of the
Yeah,
ceiling there with
there's
the
a lot of
fireplace.
details. Here. What about the amenities in this neighborhood?
Yeah, you've got, as soon as you come through, like less than 20 seconds into the neighborhood, you got tennis courts, pickleball courts that have been converted to those, swimming pool with a slide, a clubhouse, and the clubhouse can be confused for a mansion itself.
Yeah.
So it's a nice entryway into the neighborhood.
Yeah, it's very prestige community. HOA is about
Yeah, it's run about 1,000 a year.
1,000 a year.
So which is typical for this kind of neighborhood with this kind of amenity package. So
여기 이 동네는 아주 예쁜 클럽하우스가 있고 수영장, 테니스 코트, 피클볼 코트 그리고 gated community. HOA는 about 1,000 a year.
yeah.
So we have a bedroom in the main level.
Yes.
This is a guest.
Yeah, you could say it's a guest bedroom. Full bathroom, yeah, and it's connected. So you got a sliding door here, easy to pull out. This is the door if you were to enter from the other way. So you got the sink, and then there's
This is the tub.
the tub, toilet. I think a lot of people, when they invite their friends and family over, it's good to have like a bedroom on the main level,
Right, yeah.
So you've got that.
Okay, this is a nice plus. I know this house has upstairs and a basement. So should we
Right.
go up first?
Let's do it.
Okay. (2층에) 올라왔습니다. Now here we are at the second floor.
Right.
How many bedrooms we have here?
So on this level, you got 4 bedrooms.
4 bedrooms.
3 guest bedrooms, and you get the master.
Master. Let's go check out the
So,
master.
yeah, so start with the best.
Whoa. Nice tray ceiling.
Yes, so expansive height, spacious.
Again, height.
And again, this side that the bedroom's facing, you got a lot of natural sunlight coming through. Some nature there as well. So Yeah, it's perfect size, I think, for any family.
Wow, I see a big bathroom. We got his and her closet.
His and her closets, correct.
And a double vanity.
Yep.
And a tub, a deep tub.
Jacuzzi tub.
Jacuzzi tub and the shower.
Stand-up
of course.
shower room.
And what is this?
Yeah, it's kind of like a bonus room, or it could be acted as a closet, additional closet space. So right now they kind of just got their stuff stored here.
Yeah.
But I've seen other floor plans in this neighborhood that have shelving in here, so you could definitely customize this how you want. We got this guest bedroom here. So that's your first beside your master. And you got, going across here, you got the two to my left and right. And each room's got about the same amount of space as the other one. And that's always been the thing for a lot of families, is like, we need space, not just the house itself, but the bedrooms. So this home really does a good job with that.
Yeah. 이 집은 방 사이즈가 다 크고 2층에는 방 4개. 그리고 하이트. 이 집은 너무 높아요. 그게 너무 좋고. 내추럴 라이트, 자연 채광도 많이 들어오고 있습니다. 네. Shall we go down to basement?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
So Tim,
Yeah.
this basement is also kind of high.
Yeah. I mean, there's no shortage of space for sure.
And this supposed to be a
Yeah, it's like a fountain.
Fountain?
Yeah, so you get a stone fountain. It's not operational right now, but it very much can be. And this kind of adds to the ambiance of this living space.
So this can be converted into a room, I guess.
Yeah, this actually is what's considered the 6th bedroom in the house.
Okay.
So on this lower level, you've got one, and it's this one because you've got the window and the closet makes it officially a bedroom. And a full bathroom.
bathroom
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
Okay.
I love the fact that this house has like all full bathrooms.
Oh, yes.
So you got, fully tiled floor, updated vanity. You've got, the sliding doors with a fully tiled bathroom there.
여기 이 베이스먼에도 방이 하나 있고 그리고 full bath 하나 있습니다. 그리고 여기 키친도 있어요.
Yeah.
This is a separate room.
This is also like kind of like, you got an extra living space, kind of like a den, flex room as well.
Can make that into office too.
Exactly.
And here is a small
Yeah.
kitchen.
This is one of my favorite parts in the basement because,
Really?
yeah, I mean, I like the fact that if you don't want to go upstairs,
Yeah.
you can just stay here. And it's fully loaded. You've got, the oven, the microwave, the fridge, the cooktop. So
I think if you have a teenager, then this will be his heaven.
yeah, they'll be playing games over there and they grab a midnight snack.
Cook ramen.
Yes.
Oh my God, this is the theater.
And this is the best part. So yes, a movie theater, and it comes with the furniture, fully furnished.
Really?
Yeah, and you like it, right?
Yeah, I can sit here all day.
Yep.
Watch
So-
movie.
You don't have to do a thing as far as building it to the way you want. It's already exactly the
Already
way.
staying with the house.
Yeah.
Staying with the house.
And some of the floor plans in this neighborhood have this, others do not. So I'd say this is a good selling point for the home.
Yeah, because this is very expensive.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
equipment and everything.
The furniture,
Yeah.
equipment, it adds a lot.
Okie dokie. So this is the backyard
Yeah,
and the back deck.
right?
This is huge enough to have a party itself.
Totally.
Party on the deck.
Exactly. I mean, it goes from one end to the other.
Right.
So you can seriously do some big time partying over here.
So tell us about the pricing on this home.
Yeah, so this home is currently priced at $1,099,999. So we've got a lot of opportunity with this house for people because there've been a few that have sold for more, but this home is still boasting a lot of the same features as those homes.
So Tim, tell us about the schools.
Yeah, so to end off on the good note, I would say that the schools here are some of the best. You got Parsons Elementary, Hull Middle, and Peachtree Ridge High School. But one of the things I really particularly like about the elementary is that Parsons is the only Korean dual language school in all of Metro Atlanta. It's a public school, which means it's free. It's a program that you can opt in. You don't have to be a part of, but your child, if they so choose to join that, you can really benefit from living here and being in that school district. You get high priority on the list.
Are you saying, what is Korean?
Yeah, so DLI, dual language immersion. So literally, when your child's at school, 50% of your courses or classes are taught in Korean, and the other 50% are in English.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So it's very attractive for Koreans, but not even just Koreans, just families who want to have their kids learn the Korean language. It's such a great place. I mean, the house itself, the neighborhood, the location, and as well as the school district. Another cool thing I like to highlight too is that for the first time this year, those that go from Parsons to Hull, that Korean language program continues into Hull Middle, and it will be the first year that they will start it at Hull.
Wow.
And they're hoping that they can continue this and expand the program all the way into Peachtree Ridge so that they can literally learn the language from kindergarten till 12th grade.
오늘 영상 잘 보셨습니까? 중국어, 영어, 한국어 다 할 줄 아니까 많이 문의 주세요. 감사합니다. Thank you,
감사합니다.
Tim.
Yeah, thank you.